It's almost spring, and that means it's time for a what's in my springtime tote video. Yeah, spring is just about here, and that means crazy weather has already started around here in Northern California. The other day it was 74 and sunny, and today it's like 49 and blowing wind and raining in sheets, and hoping my garden just survives all of that. But what that also means for me is that I'm going to be carrying a tote so that when I'm out in the weather and I'm having my nice jacket on for rain and hats and umbrellas, I have a place to put all those things, but also a place to be able to carry a few extra things while I'm out and about. So let's go through what's in my tote. All right, we're going to start off with the tote that I carry, and it's this beautiful leather tote by Teddy Blake. For many of you who followed me over from Theory of Simple, you know I use Teddy Blake bags and totes all the time. I've had this one for a little over a year, and it's been wonderful. It's one of those that makes me feel polished when I'm going out, and especially at this age, I feel like I just want to look a little more polished when I'm going out and about, you know, during my daily things, and even going to lunch with girlfriends and things like that. I love a good tote. That's one of the things that is important to me because I need to carry a few things, and we're going to go over all of that in just a minute. But this bag is Italian leather. It is made in the same factories as those brand name leather bags that are very expensive, but this is a fraction of the cost. And it's one of those that it's going to last you a lifetime. You know, if you take care of this bag, it's going to last you the rest of your life. So it's one of those things, I look at it almost like an investment in the sense that it's going to last me quite a bit of time and provide for me so that I'm able to use it and get some good use out of it. Teddy Blake is having a sale right now. Their spring sale's going on, so it's really the perfect time to go and take a look at their site. They have a ton of styles of handbags and totes, anything from professional to casual, colors galore. All of them are exceptional leather. I have several of their handbags. I use them. They're beautiful and they hold up. So take a look. I'll put a link in the video description so you can take a look and maybe get a nice tote of your own. All right, we're going to start with the outside of the bag. And as you see here, I have a scarf. A nice silk scarf like this goes a long way. It's something that if I'm getting a little chilly, if I can just keep my neck a little warm, it looks great. If I need to dress up something, even a black or white t-shirt, white shirt, whatever, this will actually just make a nice little look and make me feel a little more polished when I'm out and about on my daily adventures. Now, I love a good scarf like this because as you can see, it has a couple of different designs on it. One that's much more beige and one that's a little bit darker. So depending on the look you want, what you're wearing, I can have something more beige or I can have something a little darker. So it gives me a couple of different ways of being able to wear the scarf. And that's very versatile for me. I don't have to carry two scarves, I just carry one. And I like a nice square scarf because I have enough material to get me around my neck and make it look good. And also it's not too bulky. Over here you can see I have this little gadget right here, and this is a hat clip. So that way if I'm in a restaurant or something and I've taken my hat off and it might be a little bit wet, I can just clip it on this and hold it onto the outside of my bag. And that way I don't forget it. I don't know how many times I've left a restaurant or something, like sitting in a booth, and I've left my hat sitting there. So now I don't forget my hat and I clip it on here. My hat, however, is another thing. This hat is vinyl on the outside, so it's going to help keep me dry. But I have a whole nother look with this hat, which is I can turn it this way and turn it and reverse it. And I have a completely different look that's kind of like a nice flannel look. So it's nice to have a couple different looks so I can match with my scarf and things like that. But if it's not raining, I'll use that side. But if it's raining, I'll be able to use a nice little vinyl side to help protect my hair and face from the sun and the rain. So a nice little bucket hat is one of my must-haves. All right, let's get into what's inside of my bag. A cashmere wrap is important for me because when I'm at a restaurant, and I don't know how many times this has happened, I'm either sitting right underneath the vent or I'm sitting by the door and it's opening and closing and cold air's on me, Or I've sat outside at a restaurant and it's beautiful out, but then the weather kind of turns or it's getting to be evening. A nice cashmere wrap like this is just enough to keep me warm. I've even had it where I put my coat back on and my scarf around my neck and then thrown this over my legs if it's really cold. So something like this, it's beautiful, it's classic. It's going to be classic forever and it's going to last. This one I have had for at least 15 years. It goes with me a lot of places. Next is my water bottle. I always have water on me. It's something that I don't know. I could be running out to the store and I'll have this with me in the car. I like to have it with me even when I'm out and about taking a walk. A lot of water. So a good water bottle that's insulated. I love that if it's insulated, it's something that I can drink, refill. A good water bottle is always with me. An umbrella. It's a must-have for this time of year. You never know when it's just going to start spitting on you. So I like to have a nice umbrella. I like to keep it in its little case because if it happens to be really wet, and I can shake it off a little, but I can stick it in here and it's not going to leak water all over the inside of my bag. And if I put it back in my bag, I'm not going to forget it. That's another one of those things. You set it aside and then I forget it. Having everything in my tote lets me have everything with me and all compact into one thing. So that's important for me. Now, not that I would ever forget my coat. It has happened, not often, but again, I like to have everything together. So the space that's left in there means this jacket will fit in there. I fold my jacket by taking it inside out like this and putting the outside together and then just taking it into a little wrap like this. Then it just stuffs into my tote and then I have everything in one beautiful tote bag. All right, so I know what some of you are thinking. Well, where's your phone and your wallet and your lip gloss and your sunglasses? Well, I put that in here in this beautiful Teddy Blake crossbody bag. It's, again, I've been using this one for years. I love it. I love their style. Very classic and beautiful. This crossbody bag has a beautiful handle if you want to carry it as a handbag, but it also has a nice crossbody strap so that you can carry it as a crossbody bag or a shoulder bag, depending on how you adjust the length on here. So another great versatile bag. These are also on sale. So take a look at your Teddy Blake link in the video description. Get yourself something nice. You deserve it. You're older now. You don't have to spend all your money on your family. Start spending some money on you. And if you'd like to see what I carry in this bag, leave me a comment and say, I want to see what's in your Teddy Blake crossbody bag, and I'll do a video of what's in here. Well, if you've made it this far in the video, I hope that means you liked it. And if you like this video, I think you're really going to like this one. So until the next time, remember to juice life, drink the joy, keep life simple. Try to remember to take care of yourself at this stage of life. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.